So when we talk about acoustics, you're really taking a look at the sound transmission between either interior walls or outside to inside. And so we look at sound transmission through the framing system, which includes the glass and aluminum. When we look at acoustical performance, there's several different ranges we have to look at. You hear a lot around STC, which has been around for many years, and that's the room-to-room transmission of noise. Over the last probably 10-15 years, OITC has also been looked at as another value from outside of the building to inside of the building. So you'll see test reports that'll say STC and OITC. Both are very critical to the performance of the system based on the requirements of the project. We evaluate both of them and we test for both. As we see now in the architectural design and facade consultants, there's a lot of focus around the overall performance of glass and metal in the facade. And so the glass and the metal have to be tested as one solution. We're doing a lot of investment in testing of our framing systems to provide more options for our customers, as well as the architectural community, on solutions that meet different demands for the marketplace. So for acoustics, we incorporate all of our tested solutions on a white paper on Kawneer.com that will list the framing system, the glass makeup, the OITC, STC performance. So it's an easier access for our customers and the architects to find the information based on the framing type. Please visit Kawneer.com to find this information on the white paper.